If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from Swaggy Amma. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani delicacy Valval. This is a coconut milk based curry which can be had as a side dish along with rice. So for which, firstly we'll be taking the first batch of coconut milk. We'll be adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut and 1 cup of water to a mixer and grinding it until you get a fine paste. Later we'll be using a sieve to extract the first batch of coconut milk. Next, add the residue and add 1 more cup of water and grind it once again. Using a sieve, we are filtering it again to get the second batch of coconut milk. Next, in a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of chopped ash gourd, 1 cup of potato, 1/4 cup of colocasia root, 1 cup of pumpkin, 4 to 5 cashew, 4 to 5 green chili split. Next, add the second batch of coconut milk which we had extracted and pressure cook everything for about 1 whistle in high flame. Once your vegetables are well cooked, add the first batch of coconut milk to it and mix everything well. Now add half a teaspoon of hing powder and salt as per taste and mix everything well. Allow the mixture to boil for some time, and now to thicken the gravy, we will be adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or rice flour and mixing it with about 4 tablespoons of water and adding it to the gravy. Allow the gravy to cook in high flame until it thickens and your delicious valval is ready. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well, and do not forget to subscribe.